Hey peeps, happy new year. It is actually about 12:30 in the morning of January the 1st, 2018, and I've gone back to edit all of the stuff that I did over the last couple of days, and it's very disjointed, so I'm going to try and talk you through it. First up was Chiana, when I told her that I was leaving for a couple of days. So we're going on an adventure. And you're coming to stay in the main house. You look very thrilled about this. And then we packed the car with everything that you could possibly want, including the kitchen sink. And we didn't actually pack the kitchen sink, but yeah, we took a lot of stuff. We managed to fit Mum in the back just, but yeah, overpacked the car. We're off on an adventure. We're only going for we're going for 6 days, and we've got an entire car full. We just about fit Mum in the back. Just.
Got enough for a bloody fortnight.
And then for some reason I got to open one of my presents early, and then I realised why, because I want to be filmed this close up. So I'm getting to open mine early. Have they not got pig in them? No pig!
They're suitable for vegetarians on them. What is it?
They're Liebkuchen!
Oh!
And you're so lucky because I nearly ate them.
Liebkuchen with no pig!
One of them's for Sean.
Thank you so much!
We bought two of them.
Did you see that Karen has bought, sent Mum and I all the stuff so we can make our own?
Yeah.
Even the wafers, which are called oblets, and I was like, what is an oblet? And then it was like, oh, that's what's an oblet. Yeah. Thank you.
Where did you get them? Is it Lidl got those?
I must eat them all. I don't need to have any video evidence of that. And then we're on to the next morning now, and yeah, there are two kiddies here. One is Harry and one is Cassie. Harry's just very, very pretty. Cassie unfortunately has the worst case of resting bitch face, but she is actually kind of a sweetie. You ready for your close-up? And then there was some presents that we got to hand out, which was lovely because it was like second Christmas. Second Christmas has begun.
I thought you'd had yours.
I did. I had 2 last night. Oh,
Sean.
thank you. Oh, that's so exciting. Thank you. Can you guess what it is, James? It's from me. In another bag.
Is it?
Jane's just got to finish her row.
Oh, I didn't see the camera.
How did you miss that?
Hey! La poupée.
Is it poopy?
It is poopy.
Thank you.
That can be drunk later.
Second bottle. Guess who got the first one?
Guess where it is?
In the kitchen. In my belly.
It's in the kitchen.
Oh, 2 bottles of poopy.
I didn't know that. I could have just put that one back.
I haven't said hey peeps yet. Hey peeps. Oh, let's do Mum's first.
Hey Peeps was superseded by present.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you do yours first. It didn't come in that box. It was really awkward to wrap, so I put it in that box.
A toilet roll holder.
Oh, I know what this is.
That's just what I always wanted.
If you turn it around, you'll be able to see what it is. There's a picture on the piece of paper.
Yes, that's very clever. It's magnetic. Is it?
Yeah, if you, up to the top part of it, touch it to the top.
So that goes, that little flat bit goes on the... that goes in there. That little disc goes in there. Oh right. And then your ball of wool sits on there. And when you want to knit, you just lift it up. And it swings so your ball of wool doesn't get stuck.
Isn't that
it will just twirl as you knit, so you won't have to keep pulling bits of wool off. And when you're not knitting, you just really will be slot it back down. Probably not a comb. No, Mum. I didn't think that on the water, but she keeps knitting from combs. This is going to be next to useless. Balls of wool. Like this one. Yeah. Thank you very much indeed. You just lift it up when you're ready. Spins as you knit, so you don't have to keep pulling against my other Christmas.
I got to open one of mine, 2 of mine early last night. One of which you already got to see, and it's small girl type creature drew that for me. Isn't it awesome? Thank you.
Gigantic set of Copic.
Yes, what did you use to make it?
My pens.
I gave her my Copic markers.
My very expensive pens.
Yes.
That are mine.
Yeah. I get to open mine now. Yay. I want to be able to somebody hold the camera. What did I got? Dad's just still reading about Tom Hardy.
Another one of those I saw this and thought of you moments.
Oh, okay. Feels like a calendar. It's not a calendar. Oh, it is a calendar. It's the calendar I want! I've been after that. That's amazing.
Oh.
Look at all that pretty
picked
names.
it up on my Facebook and I thought, I know somebody who's going to need that.
Yes, that's amazing.
I was saying
Thank
when
you
we were
very
looking at them,
much.
Sean's having a very flat Christmas this year.
Magic.
Oh, thank you.
I was saying to James,
What's this? It's a Liberty's gift card.
that they charge $4.95 for post and packaging with a gift card, and then when that turned up,
You were
it was like, oh, right, okay.
Thank you very much. I get to buy fabric. And I did get Dad's necessary clutch wallet finished, which he's going to use for his hearing aids. So the only thing that I did differently with that one was to not sew the divider down the centre of the card slots so that he could get his batteries into those slots. And this is Dad's. That's my brother. This is Dad's hearing aid wallet, which I finished just before we left. Much later on, and we were all going out for a house party, and the theme, it was fancy dress. We only found out that we were going to that quite late on, and I definitely didn't have time to make anything, and I did want to be a dressmaker when I grow up, so I put a tape measure around my neck and went as a dressmaker. My smallest boy type creature went as a Sith, because he happened to have a lightsaber, as you do. When I say smallest boy type creature, he's 18 years old and 6'2", so yeah. And small girl type creature wanted to be a pirate. I think that's because she actually had a pirate costume available, but yeah, we're not going to argue. Mum looked lovely in her Lisa Chandler fabric dress that she made, and the new necessary clutch wallet that she just finished the other day as well. And I will show you a close-up of that probably tomorrow now, because she's gone to bed with it. And I was wearing my Snake Corsage 8577, which I love. My nephew's gone to the dark side. My niece is a pirate. This is probably not the most flattering angle to film either of you from. Mum is, look, well, she's got her new bag that she made herself, and she has her Lisa Chandler dress on. Oh yeah, I haven't said have I? I think you said hi.
Do you want me to take one of you?
Hey Peeps! Pirate from a better angle. Ballerina. A papa.
Biker ballerina.
Biker ballerina. Oh, you got your biker boots on.
No, I've got my bumps on, but I might put my boots on.
Oh, is that the...
That's cucumber and mint presse. It's a bit strange, but it's actually quite pleasant once you get over the strangeness of it.
No, I like that.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm driving tonight. That's why I'm drinking. I'm underneath all of this. I have my Snake Corsage dress on and a tape measure. I'm going as a dressmaker. That's what I wanted to be when I grow up. There were quite a few amusing costumes there, but I do think the Thunderbird was my favourite.
He just saw me grinning and went...
Is that your one? Yeah.
Does this light up at all?
No, that one doesn't.
And then we ended up coming home really early because the music was so loud and it was in such a small space. So we've actually come home, well, back to James and Nia's much earlier. We were at a house party, but the music was very loud in a very small space. So we're back, we're in our jammies. You look fine. We've got, well, they've got a glass of wine and Prosecco. I'm not going to have anything because I don't want anything. We've got Jules Holland's Hogmanay on. No, not Hogmanay. We've got Jules Holland's Hootenanny on. And yeah, that's how we're going to see in the new year. And I'm very happy about it because it means I can go to bed afterwards. Well, no, because I'm going to edit today's vlog and yesterday's vlog and try and get it up for you. Yeah. it's been a weird couple of days, so it's going to be interesting seeing what I actually have filmed. We watched Jules Holland's Hoot Nanny, which was so much fun and kind of a tradition now. We've done that for the last sort of 2-3 years, so yeah. All in all, it's been a lovely couple of days spent with family, doing very little, eating all of the food and getting all of the presents, which is wonderful. So 2017 is done. It has been an amazing year. I have you guys to thank for a lot of that, so thank you very much for sticking with me, for commenting, for liking, for subscribing, and yeah, here's to a really, really super and shiny 2018. On that note, I'm going to leave it here and I'll say goodnight, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.